How to set up your HP Plus printer on a wireless network using HP Smart for iOS. When you have fully unboxed your HP Plus printer, you will need to set up the printer with HP Smart to be able to print. To successfully set up and install your printer, gather the following materials and information: an iPad or iPhone that is connected to the wireless network in which you want to connect your printer, with Bluetooth and location turned on and VPN turned off, if applicable. An HP Plus printer powered on and in Wi-Fi setup mode. An active internet connection. And the wireless network password or key if required by your network. On your iOS device, go to 123.hp.com and follow the prompts to install HP Smart on your iOS device. After it installs, open HP Smart. On the welcome screen, select Accept All to agree to the terms of use. When the Setup a New Printer screen displays, make sure your HP Plus printer is powered on and that the printer is in wireless setup mode. HP Smart only detects printers connected to the same network as your iOS device, or in setup mode. Setup mode activates the first time you turn on your printer and lasts for 2 hours. If it has been longer than 2 hours since you first turned on your printer, reset the printer network settings. To reset the printer network settings for printers without a touch display, press and hold the information button for 3 seconds and then release the button. Press the Wi-Fi and cancel buttons at the same time. Release the buttons to restore setup mode. To reset the printer network settings for printers with a touch display, swipe down to open the control panel dashboard. Touch the gear icon, then Network Setup, then Restore Network Settings. Touch Yes when prompted. Once your printer is in setup mode, return to your iOS device and select Set up a New Printer. A pop-up screen will display asking to use Bluetooth to help with setup. Select OK. Another pop-up screen appears asking to find and connect to devices on your network. Select OK. HP Smart will search for your printer. When it finds the printer, it will show on the screen. Select the printer. Note: if the HP Smart app is unable to find your printer, make sure your printer is in Wi-Fi setup mode and your device settings are all enabled as instructed in the earlier part of this video. If the printer is still not found, restart your HP Smart app and your printer and select Set up a New Printer to find your printer again. HP Smart will ask for permission to use your Wi-Fi password to access the wireless network you are currently connected to. Connecting to the current network is required to continue setup of your printer. Select Continue. HP Smart begins connecting your printer to the wireless network. For security, you will need to confirm your proximity to the printer. When prompted, touch the flashing Information button on the printer control panel. HP Smart will confirm when it finishes connecting the printer to the wireless network. Select Continue. If there is an update for your printer, HP Smart will automatically download and start the update. Once it is finished, select Continue Setup. In order to deliver printing and cloud services, data is collected from your printer to sync your HP Smart app and HP account. Select Continue. Your HP Plus printer comes with an optional Instant Ink trial. Click Continue. Your HP Plus printer requires internet access, an HP account, and original HP toner cartridges to operate. To continue, select Confirm to agree to these requirements. An HP account sign-up page displays. Fill out the information and click Create Account to create a new HP account. If you already have an existing HP account, scroll down and select Sign In. On the next page, enter your email and password and click Sign In. Your HP Smart account helps you manage your services and connected printers. Select Continue. HP Smart will register your HP Plus printer with your HP account. You can choose to accept or skip the HP Plus offer, but this video will continue with accepting the offer. Select Continue to sign up for an Instant Ink plan. Choose your preferred plan. Then provide a shipping address and billing details. Your HP Plus subscription is now complete. HP Smart will then direct you through the remaining prompts to finish setting up your printer. Depending on your specific printer model, these steps may differ. Simply follow the prompts provided to complete the process, including setting up any available services or software. HP Smart will return to the home screen and show your printer in a ready status. You are now ready to start printing. Remember to keep an active internet connection for your HP Plus printer to operate properly and to only use original HP supplies. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.